Good day everyone, this is your Kuya CK and today we're going to answer a problem related to the topic accounting equation. Okay, so this first problem and the other one that we're going to answer is from the book of Professor Balyada, no, from his book na Basic Financial Accounting and Reporting. So, wag na natin patagalin, let's start. For this problem, ang requirement natin is to compute the amount of missing element of the financial position. Ano ba yung mga elements natin sa financial position? We have the assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. This is also our accounting equation, right? So, yan ang gagamitin natin for this problem. No? Ito yung magiging guide natin. For letter A, si Jimmy Delgado Pest Control daw has assets of 600,000 and owner's equity of 450,000. Let's plot the problem. No? For letter A, we have assets na 600,000, 600K, and wala tayong liabilities plus equity na 450,000. Okay. So, pag nawawala si liabilities, ang gagawin natin, di ba, ay liabilities is equals to assets minus equity. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, liabilities is equals to 600K minus 450K. Okay? And, ang sagot natin dito, for this one, is equal to 150,000 liabilities. Okay? So, yan ang ating letter A, 150,000. Lagay natin yung sagot. 150K. Next. For letter B, okay, pray muna natin to. For letter B, we have Margie Clavano Realtors has liabilities of 530,000 and owner's equity of 410,000. Okay. So, nawawala naman dito si asset. So, wala tayong asset. So, gagawin lang natin, ipa-plot lang natin. 530K plus 410K is equals to 940,000. So, meron tayo agad na sagot. So, ang ating asset ay 940,000. I-plot lang natin. 940K. Next. Okay, burahin ulit natin to. No, burahin natin siya para malinis. Next. For letter C, Marco Fuentes Plumbing Contractor has assets of 473K and liabilities of 153,700. Okay. So, for letter C, ang nawawala dito ay equity. So, pag nawawala si equity, no, ang gagawin natin naman dito ay asset minus liabilities. Okay? So, wala tayong equity. We have assets na 473K plus or minus pala. Wait. Hindi tayo dyan. Minus 153.7K is equals to 473 plus 153.7. We have 626.7K. So, that is our answer. 626.7K. 626.7K. Next, letter D. Yan. For letter D, burahin natin to. Ryan Morales Acting Studio has liabilities of 147K and owner's equity of 236,500. Wala tayong asset, no. So, asset is equals to 147K plus 236.5K. And that is equal to 147 plus 236.5, 383.5K. Yan, 383.5K. Next. And last, for this problem, we have letter E. For letter E, Feli Monarca Dance has assets of 624K and liabilities of 237K. So, ang nawawala ay equity ulit. So, equity is equals to 624K plus 237K. Is equals to, probably mas mabilis kayo sa akin, no? We have 861K. That is our answer. 861K. Yan. So, medyo madali pa tong problem na to. Pero, on the next problem, ay medyo mahirap-hirap na yung problem natin. Okay? But so far, yan ang ating answer for this problem. So, moving on to the next one, we have this. Okay? So, ano lang natin. Yan. Galawin lang natin siya dito. Okay. For problem number 3C. Okay, ang requirement natin dito is to use the accounting equation to answer each of the following or each of the questions above. Okay. For letter A, basahin muna natin, no? At the beginning of the year, the assets of Clay of Arab Services were 360,000 and its equity was 200,000. During the year, the assets increased by 120K and liabilities increased by 20K. What was the owner's equity at the end of the year? Okay. So meron tayong sa isang taon kasi, no, sa isang taon ng isang business, we have our beginning and meron tayong changes sa buong year, no? Kasi may mga transactions tayo dyan. And then, meron tayong ending amounts or ending balances, no? So, beginning balance plus changes is equals to ending balance, no? So, for visualization lang, so, ganito siya. Ito yung beginning natin. Tapos, itong tumakbong panahon within the year, yan yung, dito nagaganap yung mga changes. And then, pagdating ng dulo, saka natin makukuha yung ating ending. Okay? This is ending and this is beginning. Ngayon, paano natin siya isi-solve? Ito yung ganitong kind of problem. Kailangan, meron muna tayo ditong B plus C is equals to equity ending balance, no? Tapos, meron tayong tatlong elements, di ba, sa financial position. We have the assets, liabilities, and equity. Okay. Ngayon, balik tayo ulit dito, no, sa problem na to. So, at the beginning of the year daw, yung assets ni Clay of Arab Services ay 360,000. And its owner's equity is 200,000. Ito muna yung pansinin natin, yung beginning balances. No, ang nawawala dito ay liabilities, tama? So, kapag nawawala si liabilities, ang gagawin natin, 360,000 minus 200,000 to get the amount of 160K. Tama naman tayo dyan, di ba? Kasi 160 plus 200, 360,000. Now, may mga changes during the year. So, during the year daw, merong increase sa assets na 120,000. Meron ding increase sa liabilities na 20K. From that, makukuha na natin agad yung ending balance ni assets at ni liabilities. 360 plus 120 is equals to 480,000. 160,000 plus 20,000, 180,000 for liabilities. Ang tanong sa atin sa problem, what was the owner's equity at the end of the year? Okay? So, para mangyari yon, ang gagawin lang natin ay, we have to deduct 180,000 from 480,000. 480 minus 180 is 300,000. And that is our answer for letter A. 300,000. Ngayon, bago natin pakawalan yung problem na yan, paano kung ang tinanong sa atin ay kung magkano yung naging increase or decrease within the year or during the year, no? based from all the amounts na nakuha natin from this problem, ang gagawin lang natin, meron na tayong ending at saka meron tayong beginning balance ni equity. Ang gagawin lang natin ay ima-minus si 200,000 kay 300. So, 300 minus 200, 100,000. Ibig sabihin, nag-increase si equity ng 100,000 during the year, kaya from 200,000, naging 300,000 na siya. Okay? So, ganun lang naman. Yung possible na pwedeng itanong pa with this problem. Now, let's erase this one. And let's continue with the next problem. Okay, for the next one, at the beginning ulit of the year, so we have beginning plus changes equals to ending balance. And we have the assets, liabilities, and equity. So at the beginning of the year, Cora Gabayan Calling Station had liabilities of 100,000, okay, 100K, and owner's equity of 96,000, so 96K. Ang nawawala ay si assets. So, 100 plus 96, we have 196K. If assets increased by 40,000, so 40K ang increase, and liabilities decreased by 30,000, so nag-decrease daw si 30,000. Kapag may parenthesis, that is, the meaning of this is negative. Okay, so kailangan ibawas, no? What was the owner's equity at the end of the year? Okay. Ang hinahanap sa atin dito ay ito, yung ending balance ni equity. So, ang gagawin muna natin ay isolve muna natin yung ending balances ni assets at ni liabilities, no? So, 196 plus 40K is equal to 236K. 100K minus 30K is equal to 70K. Ngayon, assets minus liabilities is equal to magkano? We have 166K. Okay? And that is our answer for letter B. 166K. Yan. Ngayon, ang tanong ulit sa atin, paano kung ang nagtanong ulit si problem, pero yung changes naman kay equity. So, ang gagawin lang natin, 166 minus 96, we have 70K. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Okay, moving on to the next problem or our last problem for this video. No? So, letter C. The liabilities of Lenore Loki Stylist is equal to 1/3 of total assets. And the owner's equity is 240,000. Magkano daw yung amount ni liabilities? Hindi na natin gagamitin tong beginning plus changes equals to ending balance, no? Ang gagamitin natin dito na approach is using algebra. Okay? So, kailangan marunong kayong gumamit ng algebra. Okay? So, i-plot muna natin kung ano yung ating accounting equation, which is assets. Wait. We have assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. Ngayon, or hindi, ilipat natin. Assets equals to liabilities plus equity. Ngayon, si liabilities daw ay 1/3 ni total assets. So, ang gagawin natin ay 1/3 assets plus equity natin ay 240,000. So, 240K. Wala tayong asset na amount. So, ang gagawin natin ay itatranspose natin si 1/3 asset papunta sa kabila. So, ang gagawin natin for this one ay A minus 1/3. A. Okay? This equals to 240K. Paano nangyari yon? Kasi itong 1/3 A ay positive. Kapag nag-transpose tayo sa kabila, no, magiging negative siya. Okay? Magiging negative. Ngayon, itong si A, pwede kasi siyang, si A ay pwedeng maging 3/3 A. Okay? 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1A or is equal to A pa din. Bakit 3/3? Kasi ang ating denominator dito ay 1/3 or 3, no? So, ang gagawin natin, 3 over 3 minus 1/3 is equals to 2 over 3. 2 over 3a is equals to 240k. Para makuha natin yung a, no, which is our variable here, kailangan natin i-multiply both sides by 3 over 2. Bakit 3 over 2? Kasi kailangan natin siyang i-cross multiply para ma-cancel out natin yung 2 at saka yung 3. Okay? So, para ang matira ay a na lang, and then 240,000 times 3 over 2. 240 times 3 over 2. Ilagay mo natin 240 times 3 over 2. Magkano yan? So, ang gagawin natin, 240 times 3 divided by 2 is equals to 360,000. Okay? So, our asset is equals to 360k. Yun pa lang yung asset natin, ha? Pero, ang hinahanap kasi sa atin ay kung magkano daw si liabilities. So, kung ang liabilities natin ay equal to 1/3 A, then that means liabilities is equals to 1/3 times 360k. So, 360 times 1, that's 360 divided by 3 is equals to magkano? 120k. So, our liabilities is equals to 120k. Yun yung ating sagot for the third problem. Okay? And that is the answers for this problem related to accounting equation.